Hello, everybody. So this is a tour of our Got Backup back office, no? So this is in Taglish, kaya this is for all of the Filipinos all around the world, no? So ngayon, guys, simple. Pagka pasok mo dito, kita mo agad yung mga features niya, no? Dito pa lang, makikita mo na yung you can choose. You can choose Tagalog dito sa drop down. Okay, pumili ng wika. Okay, may Cebuano pa dyan, di ba? So, if you want Filipino, which is maybe the Tagalog, no? Pero I'm in default English, no? So, tingnan natin. Wala yung Tagalog. So, Filipino talaga yung nakalagay doon. So, anyway, dito you put in your username and password, no? Username and password, and then you click log in. Okay? So, this is the login page. So now, okay, so as you can see, ano tayo, in just a few short weeks, naging bronze na tayo. Maliit lang po yan. It's a small, what do you call this, accomplishment, which we want to improve pa, no? So, of course, you can click the X here to get out of that. Ngayon, guys, makikita nyo, we're in the welcome page, no? So, on the left, you will see the menu, okay? So, we also have that got backup 6 family 6 members yan, di ba? So, support, pag dito, sa taas muna tayo, no? Pag kinlik mo yung support, andito yung pwede kang magtanong ng mga certain topics with regards pag may hindi ka naintindihan about the complan or yung mga sa ano sa entry or whatever, di ba? Kung meron ka lang tanong, you can submit a ticket. Click on submit a ticket, and you just need to pick, is it with regards to your commissions, billing and sales, general support. So for example, pag may question ka kung kailan darating yung commission mo, dito mo lalagay sa commissions yan. Pag kinlik mo yan, para mag-fill up ka lang ng email. Okay, so there's the subject, there's the description, and then kung meron kang screenshot, you can click it here, no? And then you click submit. So, back tayo. So, billing is the same, general support is the same. So, kung meron ka ng existing tickets, ayan siya. Like yung mga questions ko before. May history yung mga inquiries mo. So, you can go back later kung may mga instructions kang kailangan. So, very, you can even do the live chat with them. Ayan, no? So, kung merong online, they will definitely chat with you, no? So, yan ang maganda dito. This is a mature system. Hindi ito yung tulad ng ibang mga system ng ibang mga companies, no? So, this is a very mature. Ibig sabihin, well-developed itong system ng GBU, no? So, yan. Close natin. Balik tayo sa members area. So, this is here, no? Back to the members area. And then, babalik ka ngayon doon again to the welcome page. So, scroll down ka dyan. Wala na yan. So, okay. Tapos na tayo sa taas with the ano. And then, kung meron kang, pwede mo palitan yung picture mo dito, by the way. If you wanna change the picture, you can click on this, no? So, you can edit your account and billing info, ganyan, no? So, let's not, ano, dahil confidential yan on my account, no? So, ngayon, guys, dito makikita nyo sa welcome and then digital tools. So, yan, kita mo naka-drop down na siya agad, no? So, dito, you can use this tool. Pag sinabi mo yung, nag-click ka dito sa use this tool, ayan na yung pag-download ng apps para sa iba't ibang devices mo. So, let's say right now, I'm accessing this from my PC, no? Pero if you have a Mac OS or a Windows-based or even an Android, okay? Yan, no? Ito yung sa Android, oh, this one. This one is for the Android. So, pag nag-a-access ka nito, let's say from your gadget, let's say it's an Android device, di ba? Pag nakapunta ka dito sa page na to, ito lang i-click mo para mag-install yung app ng Got Backup para magagamit mo yung space. So, makikita mo dito, hindi ko pa masyadong nako-consume yung aking Got Backup space, no? So, actually, if you look at the Got Backup app ko, there are just a few folders there. Medyo marami rin na actually. I put videos there, I put images, yung mga tipong halimbawa kung meron akong i-share na video, I upload it there, 'di ba? And then I can then use whatever device I want to access that video. So, yun ang maganda doon. So, pwedeng inedit ko siya sa Windows, here in my PC, and then bubuksan ko siya sa aking Android, then I'll be able to access it from the server cloud of GotBackup. So, yan. Lead capture system naman. Ayan, ito, lead capture system. Dito nakalagay yung mga taong in the pipeline na papasok sa'yo. So, I got 2 pre-enrolled and got back resellers na 2 for this month, no? So, dito, pag may pending ka, andito yan. Pag unsubscribed, andito pa. So, anyway, very, very, ano siya, no? Very, very intuitive siya. So, if you need to find out more, there is the watch the training video here. Okay, click here ka lang and then ipapakita dito kung paano yung paggamit ng itong page na to. Okay, so it's all very, very well explained kaya hindi ka mawawala. Now, that's the lead capture. Dito na pupunta by the way. Halimbawa, nag-send ka ng link mo sa mga tao. Dito sa list na to, makikita mo yung mga taong nagre-respond sa'yo. Okay? So, yan. Pasok ka dito. Potential pre-enrolled. Okay, yan ha. Dito, pre-enrolled. Pag kinlik mo yan, ayan, yung mga taong papasok na or, you know, in the process of coming in. No? So, ayan. Campaign stats, messages, pwede ka mag-send, ang daming pwede mong magawa dito sa backup environment. So, balik tayo sa dashboard. And then, you're gonna go back to GotBackup. And then, use this tool. Itong use this tool, okay? Yung tool pala yan. Andun na tayo. Ano? So, installation video. So, yan. Pwede kang malaman mo kung, you know, how to install the GotBackup instructions. Yan. So, meron din for the iPhone, how to get started using multiple devices. So, in short, hindi mo na, you can access these videos para malaman mo kung paano gamitin yung app ng GotBackup. So, again, balik tayo dito. Reseller tools. Guys, ito ang importante if you are wanting to invite distributors to your business. So, kinlik ko na yung resellers tools, ha. Ayan, pagpasok mo dito, ang magpapakita sa iyo is mga different marketing tools. Okay? So, dito, pag kinlik mo itong, halimbawa, copy promo link, di ba? Yan po yung promo link. Ito po, oh. You can either click it and then right-click and then copy link, di ba? But you can also click this, copy promo link. So, yan, nakita nyo, copied na, di ba? So, if you paste it sa kachat mo, isend mo yung link sa kachat mo, okay, ano mangyayari pag kinlik nila yon? So, we'll go to a different vacant window. And then, you put the address sa taas. Okay? So, dito na lang para makita nyo. Ayan yung link na, hindi pa Paste. So, ayan, GotBackup. Yan yung kaninang kinapi natin. Diba? So, we're gonna click. Hindi pa, wait. Hindi siya So, you have to paste and then enter. Okay? Hindi sa Bing search, by the way. Okay? So, when you click enter on that, mapupunta ka dito. So, this is the intro page na, you know, this is something to get the person started para malaman niya what is GotBackup, no? So, ayan, yan yung invitation page. So, take a free tour today, ganyan. Pag nag-fill up siya dito ng enter your name, your best email, tapos kinlik tong lock in my position, mapupunta siya ngayon, remember, dun sa lead capture system. Remember that? Yung pre-enrolled. Okay? Dito siya mapupunta sa pre-enrolled section na to. Okay? Dito siya sa section na to. Pag finill up niya itong link na ito. So, this is where you want to bring your people initially, no? So, when they link here, mapapadalan sila ngayon ng email at pag napadalan sila ng email, doon nila maa-access yung sign up kung gusto nilang sumali. Okay? So, itong email na to is sometimes sent to the spam folder, ha? Hindi yan minsan napupunta doon sa main inbox ng Gmail or email app, no? Kaya kailangan hanapin din sa spam. Now, kung wala man yung email na yon, kung sino yung nag-invite, let's say may in-invite ka and then sinabi niya wala siyang natanggap na invitation email, it sometimes happens, i-address nyo lang sa support. Okay, remember the support? You click on the on the support, and then you create a ticket, and then sasabihin mo, ito yung downline ko, and this is his username, this is address from the ang tawag doon, from the pre-enrolled section, yung mga ganun ba. So you provide details of the person who's trying to get inside, especially the email, because yung email na yon gagamitin ng Got Backup support, dun ipapadala yung enrollment link where they can go in and register under you in the Got Backup business, no? So yan, balik tayo again dun sa reseller tools. Okay, so makikita nyo, hindi lang po yan yung ganito, no? Hindi lang po yan yung ganito. There are 4 or 5 different types of entry funnels. 5 yan, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Different types kung ano yung trip mo. But this is one of the top converting itong number 1 link na to. So, simple lang yan. If you have a username, makikita mo lang yan. As long as memorized mo yung username mo, like ako, Tony Agudo 01, tapos sundan mo ng gotbackuptour.com, okay? Yan na yung gotbackuptour.com. So yan, makikita mo. That will, madali nang i-memorize yan. Or let's say, makalimutan yung tour, gotbackup.com. Ayan na yon. Ito naman na magpapakita. Di ba? So there are different types of link para magamit to invite people. Na may mga banners din yan. Let's say, you want to advertise it on your social media or ayan, makikita mo, stop worrying about your data, blah, blah, blah. So, you can actually download these banners. Tapos, makikita mo yung size dito kung gaano siya kalaki. Okay, andito sa ibabaw. Yan yung size niya, no? So, yan, meron ding pahaba, meron ding pa-wide. Okay, so there are different type. Guys, this is a very, very mature system na they know what they are doing. And lahat ng tools na ito, pwede mong gamitin to promote your GBU or Got Backup business. So, what is ad copy? I clicked on the advertising ad copy. So dito, you can take ideas from all of this because you can copy this, okay, either that way or you click copy and then you paste it on your message, on your PM, on your DM to a friend, yung mga ganun ba? But of course, I recommend you start off with getting permission from the person. Oh, I'm into a business right now, bro or sis. Would you like to look at it? O ito, papadalan kita ng message ha. So may kita mo dito, actually, andito na rin yung link mo. Look at this, oh. Gotbackuptour.com, ID Tony Agudo. Don't forget that your username will have to be attached to the link. Otherwise, baka sa iba mapunta yung pre-enrolled na tao, yung taong kinakausap mo. Make sure that, sa mga links, attached yung iyong username. Okay? That's very, very important. Especially when you're inviting people, no? Pre-enrollee lead ad copy, no? So, yan. Hi, my name. Ito, just in case, hindi ka pakilala ng tao. Yan. I joined because in today's digital, more and more people, blah, 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 diba? So, yan ang tawag dyan, ad copy. Okay, so at you can see, debt-free company, walang utang yung company. GVO has been in operation in Schertz, Texas since 2007, guys. That is practically how many years old na, diba? That is, ilang years? 15 years old. Okay? Actually, pati sila Joel Thurian, mga na yan, mga pioneers na yan ng internet marketing and IT industry in the US, no? So, yan. Ito. Now, social media banners. You click naman, no? Sa taas. The social media banners, ayan, makikita nyo, there are different types of potential ad images that you can display. Diba? So, yan. Ako, for me, what I do is, ito kasi para ito sa mga disabog na ads, no? Like, you wanna hit thousands upon thousands of people. Dito naman po, this is about, what I think works naman for me is to talk with people and get their permission first so that I can send to them the ad copy or I create my own ad copy na akma para dun sa taong kinakausap ko. Okay? So let's say gusto mo ba ng side business na very affordable and malaki ang potential because global market. And it's a very stable business and it's a US company. So even if we build here, pangmatagalan ito. Okay? Ibig sabihin for the long term, right? So, ayan na. This is the Got Backup tools, no? Reseller tools. Okay? So, importante yan na makilala natin. Now, we're going to the business side of the system, no? So, makikita nyo din dito, yung my business. Ano ko muna tong Got Backup Digital Tools. Yan. So, makikita nyo yung my business, di ba? Mahaba po yan. Because andito ang Complan, commissions overview, my commissions, commission payment options, payout history, my downline, direct affiliates. Guys, you know, you gotta study this back office, no? See what is in store for you. Lalo na kung member ka, pag-aralan mo na ito. 'Di ba? So, this video will teach you what you can expect or in the beginning pa lang, malalaman mo na kung ano yung makukuha mo. So, yan. Leaderboard, webinar. So, yan. Pasok na muna tayo. Compensation plan. When you go to the comp plan, simple lang po yan. This is something to learn. Ayan, makikita mo yung comp plan. You wanna study about how the business works. Ayan. So, you just watch these videos and click here. So, these are two different printout, guys, ha. These are actually PDFs. Yan, no? Makikita ninyo. PDFs yan. Those are two different files that you may wanna download para may magagamit kang reference for the comp plan. So, dito, panuurin nyo lang. You send these links or you watch this so that you learn about the comp plan. So, commissions overview. For example, ako, I just started this month. So, you can see here, ano yung track record. So, right now, I'm due to earn $70. Okay? $70 since I started. Actually, just started October, late October. And then, late November na rin ako nakapag-start talaga because I wanted to study this first before I would refer it to other people, especially my friends. Ayoko mapahiya eh, di ba? So, ayan, andito yung track record mo, andito yung kung ano yung mga napapadalan mo at mga nagki-click, no? So, for internet marketers, this is a very, very powerful tool to gauge your performance, no? So, my commissions. Okay, so di ba meron akong supposedly $70. Hindi pa lahat pumapasok yan because iba-iba yung time ng pagpasok. So, last 7 days, I now have $10, okay, to receive, no? So, within the last 7 days. So, ayan, within the last 30 days, I now have a total of potential $70 income. Di ba? So, ayan. Kung yearly ka na or several months ka na, last 365, dito magto-total lahat ng iyong total income. Actually, marami na dito. Meron din dito in the thousands of dollars, even in 200,000. Yung sila, Richard and John Weberg, they are the double diamond. For you to become a double diamond, dapat ang total accumulated income mo is $200,000. In short, that's 11 million pesos, no? So, ayan. Commission payment options. Okay. Dito, pag kinlik mo ito, makikita mo sa lahat, di ba? Because dito, in the Philippines, you can either be using a Payoneer account. Actually, pag dito, pag beginning ka, at kinlik mo ito at magpe-Payoneer ka, automatic, i-link out ka to create your own Payoneer account that you can link to your own bank account, guys, ha? So, that means ito, may nakalink na kasi ako dito. So, I link this to my Visa card from GoTime. Okay? So, again, plug in na naman si GoTime because GoTime is the easy card to apply for internet banking. You can kahit wala kang pera doon, it's a debit card. You can just download the app on your mobile or or your iPhone or whatever, diba? And then, pag na-download mo, you just go to the process of signing up sa GoTime and then that's already a Visa card account and all of the details are already there in your GoTime. Anyway, pag kinlik mo ito, you will be brought to your Payoneer account. Okay? Just in case magpe-payout ka na. So dito, okay. Tapos na to, no? So remember, this is linked to my Payoneer account, and the Payoneer account automatically forwards it to my bank account, which is GoTime. Ngayon, pag may GoTime ka, parang GCash din yan. May card din yan that you can get from from any Robinsons sa Express, or may maraming kiosk all around the city, no? So yan. Payout history. Okay? So dito, we just started out this month of November, late October. So yan, meron na akong 17 for, yan, importanteng basahin ito. Okay, this is how you know, okay, when you're going to receive your payout, di ba? It's the commissions are paid every Friday with a 3-week lag, okay? Binary bonus is calculated on the 4th of each month for the previous month. So, remember guys, this is binary bonus. This is for the third way to earn, ano? So, once a month siya ina-award. So, on the 4th yan kina-calculate, okay? Now, pretty self-explanatory. Okay, now, tinatanong ko may charge ba yan? Upon commission payout, a 3% merchant processing fee will be applied. Hindi ito sa got back up na pupunta. Napupunta ito, in my case, sa Payoneer or sa Wise. So, if you're like in other countries, Wise ang active, no? So, yan. We hold back 10% commissions to accommodate for the reserves that the major credit cards hold of. Okay, so if you are using a credit card, meron kasing 10% surcharge minsan yan. So, once na release yung holdback, okay, i-release din sa'yo ng company. Walang tinanggap si got back up na outside of their own, na china-charge sa'yo. Hindi ganun, no? So, now, kung kulang pa sa $22, as you can see here, I only have $17, hihintayin ko dapat hanggang umabot ng at least $22 bago ko ma-cash out or ma-pay out. Yan, ano? So, yan, makikita ninyo, payout commissions, period of, ayan, anong date yan? Yung sa baba. You can see there under my camera window. You can see from the date of October 23, 2023 to October 29. That is a 1-week period. Yan yung payout commissions ko, and that is the $17.95. Now, pag pumasok pa yung ibang mga payout, lalagpas na sa $22 yon, and then I can already get my payout, no? And then, papasok na yun sa Payoneer na automatic i-forward niya sa aking Union Bank or GoTime account. Now, doon na tayo sa my downline. Dito, okay, hindi ko ito, I wanna be clear about this because, you know, maybe some people might misconstrue this as ako lahat ang nagtrabaho nito. Let us put it, you know, a lot of these are spillovers lang, guys. Okay, that is the power of the binary. Because with the binary, you only have 2 slots. So ako, kakapasok ko pa lang, nauna na agad itong si Pilar na automatic kumabit sa ilalim ko. So, I was not able to put anybody on this spot. So, ayan, si Direct Jerome is now my right leg and this is my left leg. Okay, so as you can see, guys, marami na to. Actually, hindi lang yan ganyan karami. Okay? So, yun, yung information, you wanna click on this information. Sino ba to? Ayun yung mga names, no? So, you can click on that. Now, these are my power line on the other side na binubuo ko. Okay? Again, I would like to clarify. Marami dito spillovers. Karamihan spillovers, it's not all my work. Okay? It's because of the binary structure na pag napuno mo yung dalawang mong slots, mag-spill over na lang pababayan. Even if I have multiple directs, makikita nyo ang mga directs ko andito lahat. Tinutuhog ko lang sila into one line because ito, spill over ko ito, spill over ko ito, spill over ko ito. Okay? And similar to here, puro marami dyan mga spill over. Okay? I'm not claiming ownership of all of these people. Okay? But the thing is, yan ang power nga kasi ng binary because of the spillover. Nagkakaroon ka ng downline because of spillovers. Now, kiklik natin to show my full downline tree. So if you click here, you will see how massive, guys, gano'n nakalaki ang organization because of this spillover binary. So right now, I think I have 67 or 68 people on the left. Okay? And on my right, there are still only 4. So, ano ang ibig sabihin yan? I definitely have 2 cycles here. Paano yung 2 cycles? Di ba 4 plus 2? Okay? So, ibig sabihin, if I have 4 here, maimamatch ko sila sa 8 people on this other side. So, that means I have 2 cycles. 2 cycles times $8 to $10. Sabi mo lang $8. So, I will have $16 from the binary commissions. Okay? I used to call it binary matrix, pero sinabi nga nila, pag matrix kasi may limitation. Ako naman, I call it kasi the matrix because you need to create structures of 4 and 2. Okay? Kung meron kang strong leg, that will be your 4, and then yung sa weak leg mo, dun yung 2. Okay? So, dito, ilan ang 2 ko dito? Dalawang 2, di ba? So, I have to have ilan dito? I have to have 8 people from this side. Diba? Para 8 is to 4. Okay? That is equivalent to 2 cycles ng 4 is to 2. Okay? 4-2. So, makikita nyo, ang laki ha. This is less than 1 month of being in gut backup. So, that is what we want to create on our other leg para ma-maximize natin itong other side. And this is just what? Pang 3rd week ko pa lang na talagang tinatrabaho ito. So, the thing is, we want to create what you call this, a momentum similar to this. So, ano ang potential income ko na dito? Ang potential income ko na dito, let's say at 60, sabi mo lang 60 people dito, 60 people, di ba? Divided by 4, that's 15 cycles. So, 15 cycles, kailangan kong tutumbasan ng 30 people on this other side. So, 15 cycles times 8, okay, 15 times 8, ilan ba yon? 15 times 8. 15 times 1.5. That is 12. That is 120 US dollars. So, lumalabas mga 7,000 pesos per month na. Per month, ha? Because all of these people are maintaining $10 per month. But titingnan mo, pag dito pala, pag may mga red exclamation points, these are people na hindi pa or nag-fail ng payment ng kanilang maintenance. So, yan ang importante. That's why you keep track of your downlines and your team members na nakaka-maintain sila. Okay. So, alis na tayo dito. So, nakita nyo, very important ito ha. This is the 3rd way to earn, which is the binary binary system. Okay? Or way to earn. So, balik tayo sa ating members. So, makita nyo yan. Direct affiliate. Ito yung mga taong naipasok ko. Okay. So, dito, makikita ninyo, okay, this is just for the last, wala dito si Direct, no? So, dito, ito pa lang yung naipasok ko, no? So, if last 30 days, yan, papasok na si Direct dyan. Ay, hindi pala. All. Okay, so makita nyo, I only have 4 people in my genealogy, okay? And these are people who I'd want to really work with. Ngayon, guys, imagine this. Isa lang yung direct ko dito and nag-spill over sa binary. Diba? Sinispill over ka na. So anyway, that's how it goes. No? So dito, for example, if sa second way to earn, if Direct Jerome earns $1,000, sa second way to earn is what do you call this? Second way to earn will be 25%. So, kung 25% of $1,000, that's $250. Okay? So, ganun lang kasimple. You have a check matching. That's for the second way to earn. Okay? So, live webinars. When we click on the live webinars, you will see here. So, makikita nyo, there are always events. So, this is Monday, Tuesday. This is the Italian presentation. So, this is for like the European market. And there is the night cut-off webinar. So, this is the Wednesday. May Friday. Wala lang yung Thursday, ano? There's even a, somebody's trying to call. There's even a Saturday. There's a Sunday. Okay. I just answered. So, Ayan, makikita natin, no? So, ayan. So, there is a very Thursday lang ang break, ano? There are webinars every day. So, this is how serious these people are. Okay? This is how serious these people are, and they really want our business to grow. Kaya, laging merong, ayan, may mga training yan. Okay? And look at this. On Wednesdays, there's Joel Thurian and Mike Potvin, which are the top, or the company owners. Ayan, motivational talk by Mark Sheamus. Okay? This is for the Friday. And then, all aspects of building a successful... So, the training is all here, guys. Okay? So, ito may French pa. Diba? Oh. Ayan. So, anyway, yan na yun, guys. No? So, leaderboard. When you go to the leaderboard, you will see here, like, from bronze, which is where I am, paakyat yan to, I think this is copper, and then silver, and then gold, and then platinum, and then this is, I think, sapphire, emerald, ruby, diamond, double diamond, triple diamond, blue diamond, red diamond, and black diamond. So, guys, makikita mo dito, this is the amount, $20, $250, $500, $1,000, 2,500. So, all the way, you know, pag nakikita nyo na dito, this is medyo big money na, especially for Filipinos, no? So, $2,500, $5,000, $10,000, that is total accumulated income. Okay? 50,000. Pag diamond ka na, that's 100,000, and then 200,000 for the double diamond, 300,000 for the triple, and 500,000 for the, yeah, so, diamond tier na yan, no? So, ayan, makikita nyo dito yung mga top earners. Okay, so monthly commissions earned. Okay, all-time commissions earned. So dito sa all-time commissions, dito nyo makikita yung double diamond and the diamond. Okay, yung iba dito, ruby. Diba? So, ano ibig sabihin pag ruby? They've earned a total of $50,000 already. Okay, so yan. Pag bumaba ka, may weekly sales generated, na nakakalculate yan, and you'll be able to see it on a weekend. Okay? Doon kasi na tatali na siya. Okay? So makikita mo niya yan, and you can click here to view a complete list of all-time earnings. So yan na, guys. Yan na yung mga taong gusto nating igayahin for our business, no? So again, webinar replays. So dito you can watch the webinar replays, and you can watch it, and this is a YouTube access, so walang problema. You can get training anytime you want. You know, anyway, got back up leaderboard. I clicked on here. So yan yung mga from 1 to, wow, ang dami na nito. These are all leaderboards. These are the top players all around the world, no? So, I don't know kung anong limitation, kung ano yung ano. Basta, yan, 500. Total of 500. So, this is all around the world. Yan yung mga, yan yung mga top leaders. You know, and then, recognition and rank up. So, dito, you can say congratulations ko sa mga tao mo, di ba? So, as you can see here, there's a lot of Filipinos. Filipinos are starting to make their presence known in Got Backup, guys. Okay? Kaya humataw na tayo. Ayan, di ba? So, ibig sabihin yan, mga bronze rank na yan. Okay? Similar to me. Di ba? So, I think I was here last week. Yan, welcome new members. You can also welcome new members. When you click on welcome new members, okay, meron tayong lag sa internet. So dito basically, ayan, you can welcome certain people into your into your what do you call this? Group or to the business. So yan naman ngayon. Tapos papasok ka ngayon sa internal wallet. This is basically itong maganda, pay my account subscriptions with my wallet balance. So you no longer, hindi ka na matatakot kung may ano ka, ang tawag doon, kung hindi ka pa nakakapagbayad, and then baka ma-miss mo yung bayad, 'di ba? So dito, kung meron kang income, let's say, nakapag-sponsor ka lang ng isang tao, that's already $20, di ba? So ano mangyayari? May babalik sa'yo. Pwede mo nang ipambayad yung $10 for your monthly. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? So you can also send to other accounts from your wallet. And then, yan, transfer. Oh, you can transfer money. Okay, you can refill. Ayan. So dito, I can refill my wallet. If I wanna if I wanna fund my wallet, ito yung card details. So ayan, invitation sign up link. So ayan. So anyway, ayan na. Ang dami ng no, ang dami. So that's the internal wallet. The business cards, you can even have your own Got Backup business cards printed out. Ayan na. So you can have them print this out for you kung asa states ka, 'di ba? You just have to pay these things here, 'di ba? But in my opinion, you can make your own cards also, okay? You can scan or copy this, you can print it out, and put your name and whatever on the graphics, no? Kung gusto mong gamitin. So, that's the business cards. And FAQ, so some of the FAQs are not updated yet, no? So marami kang matututunan dito sa holding tank, direct affiliate. So anyway, marami pa ring punta tayo ngayon sa marketplace because Got Backup has several products. So you can use other digital tools or ang tawag doon, sell other digital tools with Got Backup. So yun lang guys. Tapos na tayo and I hope ang pinaka-critical talaga dito, ma-master mo itong My Business because andito yung karamihan ng iyong activity to track your people and also the lead capture system and the tools, no? So, ayan. We're done already, guys. So, I hope you natuto tayo dito sa pag-navigate ng back office ng Got Backup. So, that's all for now. Thank you very much. And this is Coach Tony signing off from now for Got Backup Pioneers Philippines. God bless.